How to fix Siri not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on Siri. Then click on talk to Siri. First of all, turn off your Siri and remanage your Siri. Now click on Hey Siri and then click on continue. Hey Siri, how's the weather?
It's
Hey
currently
Siri,
clear and 43 degrees.
Hey
Temperatures
Siri,
are heading
send a
down from
message.
43.
Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. And then Hey Siri, play some music. Now click on done. After that, your Siri will work properly now. Hey Siri, how's the weather?
I can't tell your location because of your setting.
So this is the way to fix your Siri problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.